Hi guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to go over how to fill the VH1000 with your media. So what you're going to do when you get the machine is obviously you're going to open the door, you're going to lift up the perforated PVC flooring, you're going to dump in 35 pounds of your media to 30 pounds of water. Now, if you're using soda, you're going to have to supersaturate the water, so you're going to increase that to 70 pounds of media if you're using the soda. And then you fill it with water up to about an inch or so below the overflow valve. For more information, check out our YouTube videos or our website, or you can give us a call at 828-220-4303.